Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Should be separated, not doing the things of this world, even though we're living in it. Let's look to Romans chapter 12 and verse 2. And be not conformed to this world, but be ye transformed by the renewing of your mind, that ye may prove what is that and perfect will of God. So when you are transformed, you can make the right decision. Now, I'm talking about transform in the Lord, in the Word. Get into God's presence, spend time, because you see, the word conform means to take shape, and He said, don't take shape. So in other words, don't take shape to this world. The things they're in the world, don't. But you be transformed. Your mindset, change it now and accept the Lord.